This style of cake could be done with roses really easy. Brush embroidery. You've got a template for your design on your rose. Any style where it's got a cookie cutter of any sort or any design can be done in brush embroidery. Really easy. You can change this up. You could do this with Easter eggs. You can do this with St. Patrick's if you want to make a St. Patrick's cakes. And I know I've seen candy canes that have been done in red or white and green. That would be fun to do a St. Patty's cake. And I bet you could heart the candy canes into 4 of them to make a 4-leaf clover. A lot of possibilities inside and out on this cake. So we're going to get this all embellished up, and then we're going to stick our candy canes on. Maybe little dots here and there. I love the dots. Dots work well for added details. Doesn't look so boring. And pretty. Look, no dents here, no dents there. I'm going to scrape off that little flyaway that we had right there. Much better. Dabble, do ya? Okay, so I want to change this tip, put a little bit smaller one. It's amazing what just this one little detail will do to this cake to give it the wow factor. And I'm just pressing it so that it just touches and pulls away. Sometimes you want 3s. Just makes the detail look a little better when you go off. Always work in odd numbers. The 2s work because we're used to 2s on the hearts. We worked with the 2s already. Let's circle these around. Pretty. Okay, let's get those. Find the front of our cake. Choose which side I like the best. Like right there. Grab this. Now I don't want all of this in there, so I'm going to cut this off. Really simply. I have 2 hearts. So we're going to push this one in. Not fun. And we've got some smaller ones that we can stick down in here. Careful not to break them, which I just did. Don't hold it by the candy, hold it by the toothpick till you get it where you want. Needle nose pliers would be great at this point. Please don't break. What I'm going to do is cut that off. Oh, that's why you make extras. There we go. Push that in. How fun is that? Go. 2 hearts beat as 1. I'm going to hide that little hole I made right there. Put this dab back on. Make the hearts pretty. Finish off our cake like this. Okay, and there you have a very useful way of using the leftover peppermint candy canes from Christmas for Valentine's Day. So I am Shelly Sicily, and thank you for joining us for YummyArts.com.